Oh, you got the light. You got the light. Look at this one. I finally made my phone call. The reason I got the light is for you.
I gotta make a right on the wireless. Next signal. Wireless? Yeah. No, I haven't. Yeah, fuck you. How you doing?
Get off the phone, fucking asshole.
Oh,
He's coming at
yeah, good.
Joe, let him go. Joe, let him go. Joe! Joe! Let him go.
Yep.
He's on his phone, Joe. He was home. Joe,
That's fine.
just let him go.
Come on, buddy.
Joe, let him go.
Let's go.
Make your phone calls. Make your phone calls. Make your phone calls. Fucking asshole. I thought he was doing on Main Road. He's gonna touch you.
I don't give a fuck.
He has enough gas.
Yeah.
He's wrong.
Yeah, oh,
The whole
totally.
way he's like
I got
this.
him on the phone, on the camera.
He doesn't like, they don't like being scolded.
Right.
We're wrong because you're on your fucking phone.
Yeah, right.
Simplicity.
So when we get out, I'm gonna ask him what hospital are we gonna visit you at. Oh, he's gonna get out of the car. Absolutely.
He's going straight. He's going
Yeah.
the wrong way. He thinks
I
he's
don't
so
give a
cool.
shit. I am making a right.
But stay behind him
Oh,
and then
okay.
make a right. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Stay behind him. He thinks he's tough. Stay behind him. He doesn't know which way to go.
Right.
Right to him.
I can't even go
Stay
anywhere.
straight until we get to the end and then you make a right.
I got you 100% on camera, buddy, and on the phone. You can call whoever the fuck you want. Yeah, shake your head. You proud of yourself, asshole? Yeah. That's the
Oh,
only thing you're gonna get is yourself in your
Joe, he's
hand.
gonna hit your car.
It's not gonna hit anything.
You should have just let him make a left. Enough is enough.
Yeah, you too, buddy.